Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can know if a game is compatible with your PC or not. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website. Can you run it? And once you have found this website, you can open it. And here we'll be able to use this website to check if a game is compatible with our PC or not. And we can just type in the game we want to search. Okay, for instance, I'm just going to search for this game, and then we can click on can you run it. Okay, and this is the result. Here are the Black Widow recharge system requirements, and you can check whether your PC compatible for this game or not. Alright guys, and that's all the way to know if a game is compatible with our PC or not. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.